Welcome back to Refiner's Forge. I'm Jared, and I'm going to be working on making a hammer eye punch, and I also need to make a punch for myself. Did a little different punch, but I was commissioned by Hacker Forge Knives. Go check him out on Instagram. Make some awesome sand mine knives. Beautiful work. Anyways, you want a hammer eye punch, so I forged down some 1045 until a thinner, longer bar, and then I cut it in half. I didn't quite get it in half though. So, anyways, but this one will be mine. This one will be his. But, anyways, let's get started. So the other day we started these, one's a hammer eye punch, one's a slot punch I'm making for myself, handled slot punch, that I'm going to be using on a commissioned fireman's axe, and I'm doing videos of that, so make sure you look out for that in the hopefully near future. But I just wanted to give a plug for Wahlberg Forge. So the hammer eye punch I'm using to make these drifty eyes of these is the one I purchased from Wahlberg Forge. Now this is something I can make myself. I've made myself. Mine's getting kind of beat up, so I thought I'd support another blacksmith, and because he does a great job in forging tools for blacksmiths, makes some great hammers. I make hammers you can order from me, but check out his stuff as well. He does a great job. So, but let's get back to forging. Well, really happy how these turned out. I'm excited to use my punch and excited to send this one off to Hacker Forge Knives. Don't forget to check out Thomas Hacker's stuff. He does beautiful knife work, and I'll provide a link in the description to his stuff. And don't forget about Wahlberg Forge and his wonderful tools he makes for blacksmithing and other things. But I'll provide a link in the description for his stuff as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to get back to you. And if you do a favor for me and hit that like button and subscribe, that would be fantastic.
But we'll see you next time at Refiner's Forge.